Welcome to room 224 at the Abercorn Inn in Vancouver. Let's take a look around the room. So, standard entranceway. I do like that over here there is a spot for your shoes or luggage or whatever you want going on in there. Light switch for the bathroom is outside.
Yep.
I turned the light off on Jason by accident.
Pretty big bathroom, actually.
Pretty big. And look at this tub. The tub is gigantic.
It's very wide.
That's a swimming pool.
Yeah.
That is amazing. I wish I was going to take a bath tonight. Yeah, standard bathroom. Jason said the toilet flushes weirdly. Some good amenities.
Hello.
In terms of toiletries. Hair dryer. Looks like they have the same bag from the Marriott hotels. Child playing with the curtains. So you do have, set up here, you do have a Keurig. Keurig and your fridge.
Fairly big size fridge.
We'll see. I want the fridge to open this way, but it doesn't. It opens this way.
Yeah.
But fridge and freezer.
You got your wardrobe over here.
I didn't actually open a wardrobe yet. Take a look. So standard ironing board, and luggage rack and clothes hangers. We're only here for one night, so that won't get used.
Got a lamp. Only one plug here.
Oh no. Might have to pull out the cruise one.
Yeah.
The cruise thing, and then standard drawer with Bible and some shelves. 3 drawers here. Pretty big drawers. Very small TV.
Yep.
I was like, especially after being the Marriott hotels. This is a Wyndham hotel. Compared to the Marriotts we've stayed at, TV's very small, a little more outdated. Price was more, but it is Vancouver, which is why we didn't stay at a Marriott hotel, because it's expensive. Did Emrys unplug the air conditioner?
Oh, it looks like she did.
Okay. Anyway, view is Costco.
Yep. There's some mountains back there.
Yeah. I mean, we're in a major city, so not surprising that the view isn't fantastic. Only 3 floors here. The outside is really cool, and it has this kind of like, I don't know, like German Swiss vibe to it. That's kind of nice. But nice little table with some chairs.
Yep.
Pretty straightforward room. Double beds, not queen size beds, but significantly cheaper than a lot of Vancouver hotels. So if you're on a budget and you want a hotel that you can get an airport shuttle's a little, it's interesting. It comes like every 20 to 40 minutes. So just make sure that you front of the line and get on that.
We just need a place to sleep, so for us it works.
Yeah, exactly. So if you're just looking for easy place to go to and from the airport, if you are going to the cruise port like we are, the Ace Charters, I believe, is the company that you can actually get a shuttle directly from the hotel to the cruise port. That's probably your best bet. Otherwise, you can walk to the Bridgeport SkyTrain stop and then get off at Canada Place, I believe, is the stop there. So reasonably priced hotel, easy to get to-ish. You can take even the SkyTrain from the airport. But if you're just looking for a cheaper place to stay, other than the ridiculously expensive Vancouver hotels, check out the Abercorn Inn in Vancouver. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more hotel reviews. Let me know in the comments below if you've stayed here before, or if you've stayed at other hotels in Vancouver, and what you think about maybe some other suggestions on where we should stay next time we're in Vancouver. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.